Morning, guys. Yeah, and today every day I go walk, and also I dress in style with Adidas. So I marketing the name Adidas. So I love it. It's marketing, and because my friend keep telling me, you are telling people, oh, to be called African names. Now you are wearing European clothes. See, this is marketing. We have to wear clothes, but we have to keep our African names. We don't need to change. You can market wherever you feel to market, but we have to keep our African names. Yeah, I just mentioned this today, and I'm off for my day for work. It's good to keep exercising, and it's good also to go for walk with comfortable, especially for shoes. It's cold, especially you have to be warm, because also is a part of look after yourself. So you look after your body, and also you look what you put on your body. Also fashion is something also we have to inspire. The way you leave the house, the way you look is just to be also inspiration and motivation. Thank you. See you later.